Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Whatever the ministers of this government, cabinet ministers made statement that GMR is putting pressure. It is coming true. So Ashatar Airlines shift zale. There will be no operations here. And it will die a slow death. Kitle lok je directly or indirectly depend asa ya airportacher. The staff je kaam karta, be it airline staff, ground staff, taxi drivers, motorcycle pilots, गाडे आसा, शॅक्स आसा, 5-star हॉटेल सगळे थंय एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट जाता. सो कटर एअरलायन्स जेन्ना बंद केलें हांगा ऑपरेशन आनी शिफ्ट जालें आयच्यान एट मोपा, this hasn't happened suddenly. The decision announced by Qatar was within 2 to 3 days of Pradhan Mantri Modi visiting Qatar. फाटल्या म्हयन्यांनी तर पयशात जेन्ना तांणी डिसिजन घेतलें शिफ्ट जावपाक तेन्ना प्रधानमंत्री मोदी कतार गेल्लो. आय विल रेज दीस क्वेश्चन इन पार्लमेंट बिकॉज 2009 UPA सरकार अंडर डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंग एक डिसिजन घेतलें. बोथ एअरपोर्ट्स विल ऑपरेट पॅरलली. आय एश्योर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा whatever efforts have to be put in, I will do that. I will do my best आणि लोकांक एश्योर करता की I won't let you down.